Hello, boys and girls. We're going to be on lesson 7-9. It's on page 413. Go ahead and turn to this page, and then we're going to try to solve this problem. So Alex has a food bar with 8 pieces of food. So let's draw 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll put one over here so it's all in a row. 8. Okay. He takes 2 of the pieces of the bar to feed the flamingos. How many pieces does he have left? So we started with 8. So when we're making our equation, we start with 8. And then how many did he give to the flamingos? He gave 2 of them. He takes apart 2 pieces of the bar to feed the flamingos. So he took apart 2 of them. Now, how many are left over? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pieces left over. All right, we're going to be practicing writing our equations and using our tools. You can use your fingers, you can draw pictures to try to figure out and solve the problem. All right, listen to this story. Okay. Now you have to be careful and you need to listen carefully because it might be an addition problem. And we have to try to figure out, is it addition or is it subtraction? Am I adding or am I taking away? Okay, listen carefully. There is 1 flamingo standing in the water. Then 8 more fly to join. So that one, we started with 1 and then 8 more joined in. How many are there in all? So this one, boys and girls, is addition. We're thinking about how many are there in all together. So that's a plus. We need to add the plus because that's an addition problem. We're putting it together. 1 plus 8 more. So how many are there in all? There's 9. Okay. Now they already drew the subtraction sign in here. So we know that whatever this story problem is going to be for number 2 is going to be a takeaway problem. Okay. So listen carefully. Marta sees 7 seagulls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 of them fly away. So when they say fly away, that means they leave. So we cross off 4 of them. 4 of them fly away. They're gone. So we started with 7. We started with 7 seagulls. How many flew away? 4 flew away. Now, how many are left over? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 left over. 7 take away 4 equals 3. Now these are tricky because you have to really be listening closely. Is it addition or is it subtraction? Are they adding to it or are they taking away? Okay, so let's be careful and listen to these problems. Number 3 says, there are 3 raccoons in a tree. So we know that we start with 3. So let's write the number 3 and draw 3. Okay? Now listen carefully. 3 more climb the tree and join them. Are they taking away or are we adding? Are they joining in? They're joining in. So 3 more join them. So this is all together. So that's a plus. That's an addition problem. When they're joining in, that's addition. So we have 3 plus 3 equals how many all together? How many are there? There are 6 all together. So this is an addition problem. 3 plus 3 equals 6. All right, let's try number 4 and let's try to figure out, is it an addition problem or a subtraction? Are they putting together or taking away? Marta sees 9 turtles swimming in a pond. Let's draw 9 turtles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 turtles. We know that's our first number, 9. So we started with 9. Now listen carefully. 5 dive under the water. Now how many turtles are left? Ooh, so that means the 5 turtles swam away. They dove under the water and left. So that means this is a takeaway problem. They are leaving. So that's a subtraction problem. It's being taken away. They are leaving. So 5 of them, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them left. Now, how many turtles are there? How many turtles are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 left over. All right, let's try number 5. Let's see if it's an addition problem or a subtraction problem. There are 7 beavers in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 beavers in the water. So that's what we started with, is 7. Now let's try to figure out, is this an addition problem, you're adding to it, or is it a takeaway problem? There are 7 beavers in the water, 4 swim away. So when it says 4 swims away, are they adding to it or taking away? They're taking away, they're going away. So that's a subtraction. Let's do our minus sign. Subtracting 4. 4 of them swim away. How many are left? How many of them are left? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 left over. All right, let's try this last one and see if it's an addition problem or a subtraction problem. Marta sees 6 ducks in the lake. So we start with 6. We can always write our first number down. Now this is where we need to figure out, is it addition or is it subtraction? Are they adding or taking away? Marta sees 6 ducks in the lake. 2 more join them. So more of them came along and joined them. So when we're putting more together, that means it's addition. Go ahead and write your addition sign. Plus, how many came and joined them? 2. 2 of them joined. Now, how many are there all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 all together. All right, when you are ready, go ahead and turn to this page. All right, I'm going to read this story problem out loud, and I want you to try and draw it and figure out the answer. Okay? Carlos collects stamps. He has 9 stamps in all. So all together, he has 9. He puts one of the stamps on the cover and then the rest of them inside the book. How many stamps does Carlos put inside his stamp book? So we're trying to figure out how many he put in here. So he has 9 all together. So all together, there's 9. Okay, and that's all together, we have 9. How many did he put on the outside? He put 1 on the outside. Now we're trying to figure out how many did he put on the inside. I want you to do this on your own. This is what you're going to be posting onto Seesaw. I want to see if you can try to figure out how many did he put on the inside of his book. Okay? All right, go ahead and do that. And then this is what you will post onto Seesaw.